I can't wait to show you this beautiful bathroom transformation we did. This bathroom went from outdated and tired to modern and luxurious. Let me show you what we did. Before, this customer had a lower cabinet with the old cultured marble countertop. She had old single one handle outdated faucets. We replaced this with a beautiful Q quartz Valentine, which matches this cabinetry, which she chose a color of flint with a Lancaster door style. She did these beautiful black pulls. These cabinets are soft close doors and drawers. These are 8-inch spread Moen Gentex black vanity faucets, and with the matching of black stopper with a rectangle undermount sink. She had a one-piece mirror all the way across here, just one mirror all the way across. We took out that mirror, we added these two beautiful black rimmed mirrors that really add the gorgeous colors to all these black fixtures. And sometimes we like to raise the vanity tops or utility tops off the water surfaces to make sure they don't get wet, and just make sure that they last and get as much use as you can out of these cabinets. This was an old outdated tub. It was a 30 by 60 inch tub with 4-inch old square tiles, outdated tiles. We demoed it all. We placed it with a 32 by 48 Dreamline shower pan, which gives you a 2 3/4 rise on your threshold. We added this beautiful bench to give her additional space in here and additional use. We also used for the bench the same Valentine Q quartz, same with the niche. She picked this beautiful Virginia tile, formed sand glass wall tile. They're 8 by 8s. We went with this tile floor to ceiling. The pattern looks really amazing. The outlines are nice and tight, looks really clean, gives it that luxurious modern look. And we have the same black Gentex Moen faucet. We added the beautiful Verso handheld with the rain head with multiple functions. It's a great addition to this new space. She also chose this amazing shower glass, which is called Tempest. It really brings an added elegance to this bathroom. And there was just a light here before. We added a can exhaust fan so we could get the steam out of the shower and make sure the place stays nice and dry. So for the floor here, this customer chose this Whisper Sand matte floor tile. It's an 8 by 40. We laid them at an angle. We also did for this place, because I like low maintenance or no maintenance, we added the bullnose, and this particular tile did not manufacture a bullnose, but we did have it custom cut. That really adds an extra layer of elegance to this space. And then we added this new Kohler Cabana comfortable height toilet. We converted this space as where the older time they put the exhaust fan above the toilet space, where really we want the exhaust to get the humidity out, so we replaced that old fan with a new can light. This is what happens when a bathroom is scoped right, planned right, and built right. So if you have a project like this in mind, please let us make your dreams come true. Give us a call at KLM Builders.